How to generate image to video in Grok AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search grok.com. You will be logged into your account and you'll find this kind of screen if you have logged in before. If not, make sure you logged into your account. After you've logged into your account, on the left side, click on Imagine. After you click on Imagine in here, simply type in the prompt you want to use. I'm simply typing day to night. Then here, click video and then press on the arrow. After that, it will take some time to create a video. You will also find some image generated by it. If you like any of these images, you can simply click on one of the images and it will create video from this picture as well. Suppose it is already creating a video in here with a sound. But if you like any of the videos from the bottom, you can simply click on it and press on Make Video. You can also type in the prompt if you want to change anything. After you click on Make Video, it will make a video for you. Also, this is limited feature for each Google account. And as you can see, it will make a video for me. Now, you can also open a new chat and click on the attached icon at the bottom. Click on Upload a file. Simply select a picture and press on Open. You can type in the prompt you want as well. Press on Make Video. It will take some time and create a video from your image. And this is how to create image to video in Grok AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.